Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super creepy face on Dress to Impress. So what you'll need is this in black. Hold on. This you'll need in black, which I already colored black, I guess. And then you'll need this one in red, this color. And then you will need to use these for your skin tone. I might change my skin tone later, but it's fine. And then we're going to then use this one in black for the eyes. I'm going to change my skin tone so it blends a little bit better with what I have on now. There we go. That is how you can create the super creepy face on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!